Wow, look at that. That's crazy. That's cool. All right, I'm ready for it to come down. Cool.
Absolutely.
Oh, interesting. Collie elevator. They must have had a hand in that. Interesting.
Yeah. Door company, maybe?
They're actually an elevator company.
Oh, yeah?
They're from Bensonville.
Okay. And our lovely stop in the middle switch doesn't work too well, so you just do the old
You just gotta hold
rope
it
pull and
just hope you're by the floor.
as far as feet are concerned, even if it's up a little bit or down a little bit, it doesn't matter. It's when we're trying to roll a rack of product into here, you don't want to knock it over.
Interesting. Cool. Yeah, do you want to? Is it cool if we take like a quick round trip ride?
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Shot of that. It's the old C.J. Anderson interlock. I'm gonna get a shot.
You know
of
your
that.
shit.
Just get a shot of this stuff.
Oh, now that you got some proper light.
Yeah. I gotta really start bringing a flashlight around for this kind of thing.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah, this is awesome. And then this is what stops it. And then
Yeah.
I'm guessing this, it like sort of like,
Yeah, it's supposed to. I can
tightens.
show you when we're going down. It's supposed to sit in the middle, and there's
then
these two little C's that come out to stop the middle
Yeah.
weight, but they don't work
Yeah,
properly, and that was going to be an expensive fix. And I was like, if I can pull the rope and stop it, we're good.
Yeah, exactly.
As long as I can get it to stop, I don't care.
yeah, it's a lot different when it's like a back elevator that just employs.
Yeah.
You don't
Yeah,
have
of
to
course.
like make it all like.
No, and
safe
I don't even think this would be allowed for a
Oh, I doubt it.
commercial use or customer use.
For sure. For
You have
sure.
to have an elevator attendant.
Yeah. Yeah.
No?
Yeah, and I see.
Oh, it did stop that thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Careful.
So like one. No, go ahead.
Oh, sorry. Just to demonstrate. Yeah, those things usually come out and
Like one side works sometimes.
interesting. And then this is what it
Yeah.
catches on to. Interesting. All right, I'm ready. What you want to do?
I have gotten pretty good at stopping the elevator pretty level with the floor.
I've never seen doors that fold like this before. Normally with this, it's like just the regular, they both open from the middle. Interesting.
I wonder if it had to do with
door track there.
and
And
then
then
some,
this is,
some type of coding about like access being able to move.
yeah.
Like you couldn't have two doors swinging out; it needed to be one that